Hello everybody, my name is Megan and I am a STEM ambassador at Incarnate. The project we'll be doing today has been organized by our STEM ambassadors and Medusa Robotics, our robotics team. This project is also verified by NASA. Now, the inspiration for building your rockets today comes from the Artemis Rocket Launch. It'll be launching today, August 29th, 2022, from the Kennedy Space Center. A fun fact about that is the same space center that launched Apollo 10 53 years ago. Now that you know the background, let's move on to the video about how to build your rockets. Houston, we have liftoff. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to grab your soda straw template and you're going to want to cut around each of the pieces. Make sure to be careful around those wings and don't forget to include the box. Alright, so now that you have all of your pieces, you're going to want to grab your straw and your long piece of paper. Now, you're going to want to lay it long ways on the straw and you're going to want to roll it around the straw. Now, you don't want it to be too tight, so don't worry about it getting it really snug in there. Once you finally get it fully rolled around, you're just going to go ahead and you're going to tape it. Alright, so now that you have your paper rolled, you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your straw out. And now you're going to pick an end, it doesn't matter which one it is, and you're going to fold it over once and then you're going to fold it over again. Now you can either staple it or you can put a piece of tape on it. And you're going to want to make sure that it's covering the whole thing. And if I were you, I would add an extra piece of tape going the opposite way, surrounding the whole thing, so that no air gets out and that your rocket can launch fine. Alright, now the next step is you're going to want to grab your wings, and you're going to want to grab both of them, and then you're going to fold the triangle parts inwards. Now you're going to be doing this to both of them, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a simple little fold. Now you're going to grab your straw and you're going to stick it back into your rocket base, and you're going to grab one of the wings and place it towards the bottom where the hole is, and you're going to go ahead and tape it. Just a clarification, you're going to want to put it on the side with the hole. Alright, so I would recommend adding a piece of tape at the bottom and the little wing as well, and it's just to give it a little bit of extra security. And once you get that, you're going to go ahead and grab your scissors, cut off any excess tape so that it doesn't get stuck to the straw whenever you fire off your rocket. Now you're going to want to grab your other wing, and you're going to want to put it on the opposite side of your other wing. And once again, you're just going to tape it. Now go ahead and add another piece to the bottom just like before, and then once you get that piece added, you're going to go ahead and cut it off just like we did before. Alright, so now that you've done that, you're going to want to bend your wings a bit so that they can get centered, and you're going to put your straw through. And now you're going to want to just let it lay on top of there. You don't want to shove it down or else it's not going to be able to fire. And then just lay it on there, let it rest, and then blow in to fire it away. Thank you, and I hope you all enjoy.